nice pen of limmies. They all look nice too.
Buying heifers every year, I think we would find it extremely hard to pay the mortgage.
It's an exciting day ahead for us. We got the calves sorted out into their groups for loading into the lorry. 4 symington bullocks here. Some shorthorn bullocks in here. A bit of a mixed group, this white empty heifer. I've decided just to put her away as a store. And some more shorthorn bullocks there. So hopefully they'll sell okay for us. We generally sell calves 3 times a year just now, which is October. Then the smaller bullocks and the non-breeding heifers, I've kept them. And there's 8 bullocks that are only like below 450 kilos. They'll get sold in January. And then the majority of our calves get sold in the spring. The cows that just calved this sort of spring and into summer, they all get sold in about April sort of time, but hopefully we'll get them all away okay. Find some nice new homes for you.
It's exciting today. We are going to sell our store calves at Lanark, and store calves are calves that are getting sold on to be fattened in another farm because we sort of can't finish, it's quite expensive to finish the cows, so, or the calves. So once they get to about, I think most of our stores will be like 9 to 12 months. They'll get sold on to someone else who will fatten them up before they go into the food chain. So it's a big day for us, big payday, and we're just getting organised to go. So chat more on the road. Coming to the market today, and we're dropping you off at nursery. Market! Coming to sell some calves. Yeah! And we're going to go, Heath and I are just going a little bit earlier just so that we can see. There was a show on first this morning before the sale starts, and we had thought about entering that black shorthorn calf in, but there wasn't a native class, so George just felt that it would have been out of place. So, but it'd be quite interesting to go in and see sort of other ones that have been shown and see if it would have been in place for future times, because it would be quite, I think he was quite wanting to do it, but he just felt yeah, it really looked out of place, but I'm sure it would have. But anyway, so it's an exciting day and we're looking forward to it, and Daddy's not far behind us, is he, Heath? No. He'll see us at the market. So, let's go! Let's go! So it's a big sale, it says here at Lanark Market, and it's a big sale today. There's over 1,200 store calves, and yeah, it's a lot to get through. So we'll try and see if we can, what we can see, Heath, will we? You did a wee face? Mum was just doing a face to try and hide our wrinkles. Ooh. Yeah, so we're just going round to see if we can find our calves, aren't we? Yeah. And see if we can find the show. I presume the show just happens in the back here. There'll be a lot of calves, slow calves still to come in. Because we know people that are on quite late in the day, don't we? So it'll be a big day for everybody. Everything's always really calm, isn't it? It's very calm at the market this morning. No, I see the calves, so calves are all just so. Everyone's really quite relaxed, aren't they, Heath? Really nice pen there. They've been groomed a bit better than ours. Look, there's a nice pen of limmies. They all look nice too.
60, 80, 80, 20, 1820, 20, 40, 1840, 60, 1860, 1860, 60,
Oh, there's Daddy coming.
17.
Smile.
Yeah.
What is that?
60, 80, 90, 20, 40, 60, 19, 80,
That tongue's massive.
19, 80, 20, 40, 60, 60, 20,
Our
40,
neighbours,
60, 80, 16, 80, 16, 170, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1980, 1980, 1980, 60, 1560, 60, 50, 60, 60,
Charlies are flying.
5 right shot my head again. There's 5 middle shot my head first. You do something. And again now. 19, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2000, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 21, 10, 21, 10, 21, 10, I'm better, 10, I'm better, 10, I'm better, 10, I'm better, 10, 21, 10, extra. Six. And it will be seen 70, 70, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 1800 pounds better, 18, 20, 18, 40. Going to try to make those 18, 40, 1840 pounds better, 40 pounds better, 45, 1840 pounds better, 45. Hot crosses, right off the slab, shove it for 2 weeks to dry them up, just right off the slab. 19, 20, 40, 60, 1960, 60, 80, 19, 2000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 1, 2, 1 better, 1 better, 1 better, 1 better, 1, 20, 21, 20, 21, 20 on better, 20 on better, 20 on better, 20 on better, 40, 60, 80, 21, 80, 21, 80 on better, 80 on better, 80 on better, 21, 80, cut like it's madness.
Can't you guys be Daddy right now?
Super, super red they are, right off the slab. Look at that for me, cracking bullets. 18, 20, 40, 1840, 60, 80, 90, 20,
Daddy will be back in a wee minute.
1940, 40, 40, 40, 45, 1940, 60, sorry, 12, 1960, 80, 1980, 1980, 1980, 1980,
Hammer down at 1980.
14,
Ah, what's his daddy?
he's a short torn, but look at his shape of him. He's a
Oh,
short
here's our favourite one.
Look at the end on him. What a short horn dog. 19, 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 21, 20, 21, 20, 21, 20 on better, 20 on better, 20, 40, 60, 21, 60. Get you over here. 21, 60, 21, 60 on better, 60 on better, 60 on better, 21, 60. Over here, 2.
Right, so that wasn't it?
pair of starters again at short court. All the top the slot, all ready to go forward with you. All in a big semi-crowd. Look at that, the pair of bullocks. 17, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 19, 20, 1940, 1960, 1960 pound a minute, 60 pound a minute, 60 pound, 1960 pound a minute, 60 pound and 1960, Sadie Farrell. He looks a wee bit strong when both these testicles have been removed. Make no doubt, he looks a wee bit strong, Brian, like yourself, when both these testicles have been removed.
There's that one.
I believe you, Brian, but I'm not sure. As I say, he looks a bit strong, but he was cut with a knife. He was cut with a knife, there's a crack bullet. 17, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 19, 20, 1900, up the knife, 40, 60, 80, 2000. 2,000 pound on my 2,000 pound, 20, 2,040, 50, 60, 2,060 pound on minute, 60 pound on minute, 60 pound, 2,060, 803. And again to right short on road. 17, 20, 40, 60, 1,760 pound on minute, 60 pound on minute, 60 pound, right road. 1,760 pound a minute, 60 pound a minute, 60 pound, 1,760 pound a minute, 60 pound a younger, 1,760 pound a minute, 60 pound a minute, 1,760, and they all three.
Uncle Tommy bought those ones. He's calmed down about now. He's watching his daddy.
And again, look at that for a stocking by paper. Look at the leg with the side of the heart. 19, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, to 1. 2, 1 a minute, 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 1, 20, 40, 60, 21, 60 a minute, 60 a minute, 60 a minute, 60, 21, 60, bias, 1, bias, 1 Sheffield. Last one now.
You can't go down until you're a bit bigger.
You at the day. And again, that last one now. Look at that for a stop and shortboard paper. Look at that for a shortboard paper. 18, 20, 40, 60, 80, 19, 20, 40, 1940 pound a minute, 40 pound a minute, 40 pound a minute, 40 pound, 1940 pound a minute, 40, 1940
Oh,
pound a
the
minute,
shoes come off.
1960, 80, 1980, 1980 pound a minute, 1980. Will be a three.
Alright, you can see your dad having your lunch, Heath. Yum yum. Daddy's had all his lunch. Yum yum. So we're just on the farm road. He thinks as soon as he hits the farm road he can take his seatbelt off. Probably a thing most farm kids do. But that's us just now back from the market. We had a good time. Did you have a good time seeing your calves getting sold? Yeah. I think Daddy was happy. Yeah. And it was quite interesting. Just I stayed a wee bit and just saw the different cattle getting sold. The slayers. I was quite keen to see the slayers getting sold because we'll have slayers next year. And then obviously Charlie's just absolutely. We used to have Charlie's and I maybe asked George why we don't have Charlie's anymore. Probably just a calve, in fact. Like they're just a bit harder to calve, and he's wanting to try and make calving a bit easier. But they do just top the charts of sales, don't they? And you just can't beat them. Can't beat a Charlie. We're just back from the market, and I didn't get to speak to you at the market, obviously, George, because you were coming home for me. And so, are you quite happy? You obviously will be happy with the trade.
Absolutely delighted, aye.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. Over
Yeah.
£600 better is on the year. So yeah, averaged £1,998.89. So £1.11 short of 2000. 2000 would have been really nice, but we won't lose any sleep over it.
No, not at all. And it was good. Saw some Slayers getting sold. So obviously we'll be selling Slayers next year. So it was good in Charlie's. Do you miss not having the Charlie's? Just that extra few pound in your pocket?
What Charlie's do, my calves need to be very good to be the price of a decent Charlie.
Yeah.
Whereas an average Charlie just seems to they just sell so well. Like,
I know, it's funny, like something just light comes in the ring and the buyers
love
just
them,
look excited, don't they?
but yeah, we don't have any Charlies anymore
No, we don't have any Charlies anymore.
because we used to always have Charlie bulls, and we bought all our heifers in calf, normally from the same farm here, Head. We bought Simlings in. I did for years, and they were in calf to Limmy calf, and then everything would go to the Charlie after that. But the trouble is, I don't know anybody that keeps Charlie heifers as replacements. They're too big boned and not enough milk. So we went down the line of breeding our own replacements, and then we had one Charlie bull. But we always found the one Charlie bull would go over our better older cows, because you know you're getting a calf out in that fine. But they're the cows that we should be breeding heifers from.
Yeah.
And basically, if we were to be buying heifers every year, I think we would find it extremely hard to pay the mortgage.
Yeah, because we're just
you
breeding
buy a
our own
heifer.
replacements.
And
You in a rush there, Heath?
the heifers, you buy a heifer, and it's whether it's a bull and heifer or an in-calf heifer, they are not making proper profit for 3 years in our system anyway.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's worth buying them.
Right, I think
at
Heath's
that.
in a rush to go and do some power washing with you.
Good job, let's go. On a bit of a high from yesterday's prices, back to reality today. Oh, it's a horrible time of year, it really is. Feeding cattle outside. This lot up here have still got a bit of grass and they're quite settled. The other lots, there's another 2 lots, they don't have quite as much grass and they are standing at the gates roaring a wee bit more. But I would like to keep this lot here out for a wee bit longer, or the longest anyway, because some of these calves, these Sawyer's calves off my heifers, they'll get weaned just basically as soon as they come out. All these ones, these 5s, and just give them a bit more time to recover before they start calving again. The reality is though,